We are here to discuss about our project, which is a firefighting robot. Here the main aim of our project is to eliminate the need of humans in firefighting, because fire is a very hazardous element and it can cause loss of life, as well as it can cause burns, second degree and third degree burns, which are very fatal. So basically what we have done is we have an Arduino board which is the main board which controls all the basic operations that are here, and we have as well as interface the DTMF module, which will allow us to control this robot wirelessly. And then to extinguish the fire, we have a motor, we have a fan which will rotate whenever the signal is given, and it will extinguish the fire. We initially wanted to we interface this motor along with the fan instead of the fan, so that water is squirted at the fire to extinguish it. But due to limitations such as non-availability of non-immersible water pumps, as well as the weight due to the water, we could not interface it in this project. But to just interface, when the technology is available to us, it is just as simple as just replacing the contacts of the fan with that of the motor. It will perform the same operation. And here we are using a relay to switch the fan on and off, which is similar as to switching the motor on and off to release the water and to stop the water. As well as we have a motor driver which will give the initial startup required to the motors for the basic movement, such as forward movement, backward movement, right movement and left movement.
Let's start a demonstration of our fire extinguisher robot. As I press 1, the robot will start moving forward. As you can see in the video, as my robot reaches my destination, you can stop the robot using 5 options. You can also control the movement of the swing using 7 or 8, like this, as I am showing in the video. Now if you press 9, the fan will start rotating and it will blow off the fire. We can even use all kinds of motions to reach our correct destination. As I showed you using the forward movement, we can also use backward, left or right. As now I am going to show you, as forward, for forward you can use option 1. To stop it you can use option 5. And if your destination is at your right side, you can use option 3. And move forward from there and stop it. If in any case you have gone little front, you can come back using option 2, that is backward movement, and you can change to left option using 4 and stop it. We also have a control and a continuous movement for our fan to work or the swing to work. And for continuous movement you can use option 6, which also uses fan, which is connected using a relay to our Arduino board. Now if you want to stop it, if you want to give blow in a particular direction, you can use option 7 or 8, like one more time if you want to do. Now if you want to blow the fan, you can use option 9. To stop any of the option, you can use option 5 and the operation will get switched off. Here we conclude our project by saying that this fan can be replaced by a water pump, and for the specific movement of this water pump we can use a robotic arm so that it sprays the water in a particular direction, or if it wants to spray the water all over the place, then also a robotic arm will be very useful. Now this DTMF module, as my friend said, this can be replaced by a Bluetooth module or any wireless module which will be available in the market.